All right, y'all. This is our baked ziti Missy's way. Okay, taste test. Now, y'all, I'm not even really hungry. I'm just doing this for y'all's benefit. Oh no! Blooper! Mm. Oh, it's so good, y'all. The pasta's cooked perfectly. It's still got a little bit of it's not mushy. I like the al dente. So it's so good. The ground beef is seasoned so well. The cheese is so delicious. I did put Parmesan cheese too. So good. Y'all got to try this. Let me know if you try it.
I gotta go clean some more. Blood is waiting.
Oh my.
Gather round, let the good times roll. Home cooking magic, it feeds the soul. From pies to stews, every bite's a delight. At Misty's Pleasures, everything feels right.
Hey y'all, I hope everybody is doing really good. I am so happy I learned how to do my voiceovers. Y'all would never guess how long it took me. But anyway, we are prepping our cast iron for a wonderful meal tonight. This is going to be my world famous baked ziti, cooked little old Misty's way. So, y'all, welcome back to my channel, Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Southern Home Cooking, y'all. All right, y'all. So, in order to make my recipe, you need 1 pound of ziti pasta. Now, you could use elbow macaroni if you want, but the ziti pasta is what is really called for. It's better, I think. So you need 1 pound for a 4-member family. And of course, all that we're doing right here, y'all, I've already peeled this medium-sized yellow onion. So you do need a medium-sized yellow onion. You want that diced up small. You don't want it in big chunks. Alrighty, y'all. I hope you're still with me. Stick with me. So right here, I added the diced whole onion first, and I sauteed it in olive oil until it started becoming translucent. I then brought in my ground beef, and I've been breaking that up. And blooper. I started adding the seasonings. So one of the first seasonings I did was crushed red pepper. And then we are going to do some garlic powder. All right, y'all, we are at the stage where I have gotten my ground beef browned really well. Now, if you all have watched my previous videos, you know that I use the napkin method to drain the fat. So I did do that. I did use napkins to drain the fat. I thought about including that, but you all have seen it so much. If you have any questions about how I do it, feel free to ask. But after I did that, I did add the Newmans marinara sauce. You don't use spaghetti sauce, you use marinara sauce. If you do not have marinara sauce, you could season up tomato sauce. and maybe add a little bit of water to that and use that in place of marinara sauce. That's just if you don't have it on hand. But I did at this part add rosemary. I did add salt and pepper, and the salt I use is pink Himalayan salt. And then you just let this sit and simmer for 20 minutes. All right, y'all. At this point, we are spraying our 9x13 casserole dish. And I have drained that ziti pasta. I did put some olive oil on it after I drained it so that it wouldn't be sticky. And we're going to layer this. So you're going to do a layer. You're going to do a first layer of the ziti pasta.
Somebody will eat that on the floor.
And if you all hear me, I accidentally dropped some on the floor. So my dogs did get it. Now you are going to take half of your meat mixture. And that's going to be your next layer. All right, y'all, what we're doing now is we are layering the meat mixture. So this is going to be your first layer of your meat sauce for your baked ziti. And you want to make sure you get that spread evenly on the top of your ziti. All right, y'all, we got our first layers on here. Now what we are doing is we're coming in with our provolone cheese, and these slices are pretty big, so it takes 6 slices in a 9x13 pan. And then we're going to layer this with some other cheeses too. So this cheese that I'm using is I think this is the Mexican blend, I think. No, it's the 4 cheese. Yeah, it's the 4 cheese Mexican blend that I'm putting on there. And you just want to make sure that you get the cheese covering the provolone cheese. If you want extra cheese, you can add extra cheese. That's totally fine. Alrighty, y'all. Somehow, some way, I lost some clips along the way when I was creating this recipe for you guys. But I promise you, everything will be in the description box below. It did turn out great. I wanted to put the taste testing at the beginning to let you know how good it was. It turned out fantastic.
Remember when you told me that I should take it slow, but I can't stay when the world is waiting. I'm too used to being on my own. Hearts will break, but I have to chase.